Racing just is started. We have Showmaster break weekly at the start. Christina is on the outside. Power over. The next online is Gold Asian, while Hakuna Matata is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Christina. Power over is on the outside second. A length and a half further back in third comes Showmaster. Gold Asian is racing in fourth, while Hakuna Matata is still running at the tail of the field. And as they swing down the back, we have Christina moving up now on the outside is Power Over. Showmaster is racing in third. Gold Asian is down in fourth, while Hakuna Matata is still in fifth. Inside the tres octavo, we have Power Over, Christina, Showmaster. Gold Asian remains in fourth, and Hakuna Matata is still in fifth. And at the fourth turn, we have 3 runners now fighting out for the lead. Power Over, Christina, Showmaster. Gold Asian now trying to get closer in fourth. Hakuna Matata likewise now trying to get closer as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Showmaster. Christina is down on the inside. In the middle portion is Power Over. Gold Asian is on the outside. We have Showmaster. Gold Asian is on the outside. Showmaster. And finally, a close finish. Gold Asian, Showmaster, Hakuna Matata, Christina, and Power Over.
Naeksaktuhan yata.
Oo, 2-1-4. Parang yun ang nakita nating datingan.